Hello, I'm Sayoko Yasuda. I will colored Misty Lady and this book and page 93 Misty Lady. It's very big rose. So this is a pattern. So I colored and I explain more clearly, okay? Most smaller petal, I use inside, so I want to color more dark. So I do not use violet water, okay? So this color and lighting already, so direct. If you want more dark, please do not use the water. And a little pink. Red, more dark color. So I mistake. Please check the back side. Hard glue. So and please color mixing. ABC all mixing. So you can make more nice petals. Nice, how to say, more deep color. Mixing. Now, so checked back side. This one more red, so more red color I am coloring now. Bordeaux color, wine red. Like this. So I must check again because I cut 4 pieces, doubling 4 pieces, so inside not colored. So please take care. Ton. Red. Ton. Please check again. Okay. I check again after again. I check again. So, on this side, I colored AB, C side. First, so and water. To make a more nice gradation, I use water. Make a more nice gradation. So this is like this. Wine red, more thick. So, and shining red. Shining red. So, and how to color? It's your favorite color is best. So, I colored 4 sample. Please, you do your favorite colors. Okay? So, check again. So, and again, mixing. Nice. And sometimes this one only violet no water. So violet. Sometimes please make a more deep point. Please use violet colors. So if you want more red, so you make the RB or something it's your favorite color. So I like only violet color, but this one RB, no water, and sauce, and become more deep color. Mixing like this. It's my skill. Okay, like this. So next one, biggest. More red. So very nice gradation. So and deepest color. So you want more red, please use RB and violet color and make a gradation like this. Okay. And this one, so last biggest one. So now I colored and I want to say the skill how to colored. How to color. I want to tell the skill, my skill about colored. So it's a sample. After you understand and after you colored your favorite color. Okay? More red. And violet. Oh. Okay. All time, please make a variation. All time make a variation. So next one, leaf and sepal. So please take care. This is wire for flower 30. Okay. So, and this seal, so like this. Bottom and like this for go, なんていうの? Yes, not smooth. Not smoothly. So, this is the base color. Same the flowers color. And green. Okay. I use a more wide brush. Okay. It's okay. Leaves. And all the time, so same colors. Please, colors, same colors. Okay, so and wire 27. Same colors. Okay, so this one for back side of sepal and leaves. So please colored, any colored, okay. Back side I use. Okay, like this. It's finished.